Animal Adaptations and Classifications by Molly Black. Animal adaptations help animals get food and protect themselves from predators.
Hi, I'm a flamingo. I'm a warm-blooded vertebrate bird. I breathe with lungs like a human, and I am covered with feathers. I live in South America and lay eggs. Flamingos are powerful swimmers and get their pink feathers from eating shrimp. My adaptation is my long legs that allow me to wade in the deep waters for fish. Hi, I'm a blobfish. I am a type of fish and have no bones, so I'm an invertebrate. I live in Australia plus New Zealand. My body is like jelly, and it's my adaptation. That helps me stay at the bottom of the ocean. I eat shrimp, small crabs, and anything I can find. I lay eggs, and I am warm-blooded to stay alive in the cold waters. Sadly, I am endangered. Hi, I'm Kai Kai, a Pomeranian. I'm part of the toy breed and one of the smallest dogs in the world. I'm a warm-blooded vertebrate mammal. I breathe with my lungs, and my body is covered with fur. I live in a house, and I am a companion to humans. My babies are born in live birth. My adaptation is my fluffy fur because I came from a type of dog that slept outside in the Arctic winter. Bye-bye.
A classification is putting similar animals into groups. The two groups are vertebrates and invertebrates. Thank you. Hope you learned something about adaptations.